Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your username on iQIYI. To change your username on iQIYI application, first of all, go ahead and open the iQIYI app on your mobile device. Make sure to log into your account, and once logged in, from the home page, go ahead and tap on the Me button at the bottom right corner. From your Me section, tap on your username at the top. Now you'll end up in the Personal Data tab. Click on the Name option and erase the current one. Type down a new username for yourself. Once you are done, click on Save at the top right. And there you have successfully changed your username on iQIYI. Some usernames might already be taken, so make sure to try a unique username. If you want to change your username again, you can repeat this step and you will be able to update your profile whenever needed. That is how you easily change username on iQIYI. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more iQIYI tips and tricks. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.